Number 1 is complement and supplement angles. A is find supplement of the following angle: 39 degree, 50 minute and 20 second. Two angles are supplement to each other when they add up to 180. So two supplement angles, basically they add up to 180. So this means to find the other angle that is supplement to this angle, you need to subtract this angle from 180 degree. So the 180 degree, we will borrow 1 degree and convert it to 59 minutes and 60 seconds. Then this becomes 179 degree, 59 minutes and 60 seconds minus 39 degree, 50 minutes and 20 seconds. So 60 seconds minus 20 seconds is 40 seconds. 59 minutes minus 50 minutes is 9 minutes. 179 degree minus 39 degree is 140 degree. Okay. So the answer is 39 degree, 50 minutes and 20 seconds, and 140 degree and 9 minutes and 40 seconds are supplement to each other. If you add them, they will add up to 180. B is find complementary angle with measures 9x plus 6 and 3x. Two angles are complementary angles if they add up to 90 degree. So that means 9x plus 6 plus 3x equals 90 degree. They are complementary. That is 9x plus 3x is 12x equals 90 minus 6. That is 12x equals 84. Then x is equal to 7 degree. That means the 9x plus 6 is equal to 9 times 7 plus 6, which is 69 degree. The 3x is 3 times 7, which is 21 degree. 69 degree plus 21 degree is equal to 90 degree. Convert the following to decimal degree: 274 degree, 18 minutes and 59 seconds. To convert this into decimal degree, 274 is already in degree. Then the 18 minutes just divided by 60, then it is a degree. Then the 59 second divided by 60 times 60, then it is a degree. Then when you add them, it is 274.316 degree. D is convert the following angle to degree, minute and second. So it is 178.5994 degree. So to convert this into degree, minute and second, 178 degree, 178 is already in degree. Then take this change, which is 0.5994 degree, multiplied by 60, it gives you 178 degree 35 minutes. Then it gives you this change 0.964, which is a minute, multiplied by 60, that will change to second. And this is 178 degree 35 minutes and 58 seconds. For C, to convert to decimal degree, simply enter the values as they are. So it is 274 second angle degree, then 18 second angle minute, 59. So if you come here second angle, you will not find here second. But now if you look carefully, you will find the second, it is alpha plus. Okay. And simply hit enter, and here is 274.316. Okay. That's clear. For D, to convert to degree, minute, second, so first just type it as it is, 178.5994. Then go second angle, then call DMS. DMS means degree, minute, second. Hit enter, and here it is, 180 degree, 35 minute and 58 second. Please subscribe, share and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share and like.